Right, this is Romy with RC Auto Detailing Carpet Cleaning. We're here at the shop at 428 Maple Street in Fort Collins, Colorado. So we are having Julissa learn today on how to buff out a headlight. We did a little practice. Use the rag that's there. So she just put a little bit of what we call a stage 1 cutter. So it's I think it's an 800 grit buffing compound or polishing compound. And now we're going to use we have a high-speed buffer. We're doing cord control, so cord goes over her head, and then she's going to step in front of it, holding 2 hands firmly. So we've got it. You can see the headlights. A little bit rough. This one's rough. And then let's see how she does. So we're going to go through and buff it out. She's just going to work it slow. You got to keep moving the buffer because you're going to keep moving it because it'll just kind of wear into it or get it too hot. So she's going to keep buffing and keep moving. Looks like our cord might have come loose. Let's see.